Gotten out. Gut. Gut can refer to the stomach or the intestines of a person or animal. It can also mean to remove the insides of something or to clean out thoroughly. Examples: the spicy food upset my gut. The butcher gutted the fish before cooking it. Out. Out can mean not at home or work, revealed or made public, or in a direction away from the inside. Examples: she's out shopping. The secret is out. Differences: gut primarily relates to the internal organs of a person or animal, while out refers to being outside of a particular place or revealing something. Gut is more physical in nature, while out can have both physical and metaphorical meanings. Gut often involves removing or cleaning out something, while out is more about being outside or revealed publicly.